Flowers are like nature's party decorations. They come in every color you can imagine, from bright red and sunshine, yellow to cool purple and gentle pink. Some smell sweet like candy, while others have a fresh, clean scent. They start as tiny birds, all tightly warped up, like sleepy baby leaves. Then, when the sunshine warms and the rain gently falls, they peek open, showing off their soft petals. Bees love to visit flowers, sipping on their yummy nature and helping them make more seeds. Flower grows in gardens, fields, and even on mountains and deserts. They make the world a more beautiful place and bring smiles to our faces. We use them to say I love you, thank you, and get well soon. They even add magic to birthday parties and weddings. So, next time you see a flower, take a moment to appreciate its beauty, smell its sweet fragrance, and imagine the tiny seeds that grew into such a wonderful wonder. Remember, the world is a more colorful place because of flowers. Thank you.